Hi everyone, here we've got ZTE Axon 11 5G, and let me show you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So actually we've got two options to choose from. Let me show you the first one. So let's open the dialer and let's type *06#. And as you can see here, we are provided with IMEI info and serial number. Let's click on OK to close it, and let me show you the second option. It is using the settings, so let's open them. Let's scroll down to the very bottom and choose About Phone. And here, as you can see, we've got the IMEI number. After tapping on this, we can see some more IMEI info. Let's click on OK. And if you want to check the serial number, simply tap on the model. And here we've got the serial number. So that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your ZTE Axon 11 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.